So you are already here. So I'm going to kill you out much ready. It was 2 in the morning and I was playing, but whoa, on my computer. Hey, you! I like the DD fool. I play for the keeps. I just got hit the hell are you talking about? What the fuck was that? After that, I was hungry. What to eat? I was looking around the fridge until I saw something in the back. What the hell is this? Oh no! Oh no! Michael Rosen got to the again. And I'm back from the hospital after getting my stomach pumped. I think it was painful last time, so I don't do drugs. Anyway, goodbye.